If you are wondering if we have dual SIM available on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then the answer actually depends on the region. For example, if you live in India, then you actually do have dual SIM. You can use 2 physical SIM cards. And if you open the eject tool, then in there you should be able to use 2 physical SIM cards. In my case, in Europe, there is only 1 physical SIM card slot, but instead I can use eSIM. So there's a little drawback, and there is a regional difference, because in some regions you can use 2 physical SIM cards, but no eSIM at all. And in some cases, like for example in Europe, you can use only 1 physical SIM card, but you can use eSIM as the second SIM option. So unfortunately, small differences here and there. And ideally, you probably want to check the Motorola's website of your region in order to verify in specifications if your Motorola Edge 70 Fusion supports physical SIM cards, 2 nano SIM cards, instead of nano SIM and eSIM, if of course you care about 2 physical SIM cards. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.